Your mom probably warned you, stop cracking your knuckles, you'll get arthritis. Will you? This belief is everywhere. People think the pop damages your joints and wears down the cartilage. The truth is the popping sound isn't bone grinding. It is gas bubbles releasing in the joint fluid. Research, including long-term studies, shows no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The worst it may do is slight swelling or reduced grip strength, but not arthritis. If cracking causes pain, stop. Pain means inflammation. Without pain, it is generally harmless. So getting arthritis from cracking your knuckles is a myth. Your joints wearing out with age is the truth. Follow fast and heal for more clear science-backed health facts.